Greetings and welcome. This is Dr.BDY Sunil, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this session, we will be learning about moment of a force, Variance Theorem, couple and its characteristics. First, let us learn about moment of a force. Moment is defined as the product of magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance of the point from the line of action of the force. Here, the point about which the moment is considered is termed as moment center, and the perpendicular distance of the point from the line of action of the force is called moment arm. For calculation purpose, the clockwise moment is considered as positive moment and the anti-clockwise moment is considered as negative moment. Consider a body on which a force F is acting at certain point. If we need to find the moment caused by the force on the body about the moment center O, then the moment is given as F into D. An example for moment on a body is the tightening of a nut using a wrench. Here, a moment of F into L is being applied on the nut for tightening. Now let us learn about Varignon's theorem. This theorem is also called as principle of moments. It states that the algebraic sum of moments of a system of coplanar forces about a moment center in their plane is equal to the moment of their resultant force about the same moment center. For understanding this, let us see an example. Let there are two forces F1 and F2 acting on a body at a point A. The moments of F1 and F2 about the moment center O are F1 into D1 and F2 into D2 respectively. Also, let R be the resultant of the forces F1 and F2. So, the moment caused by the resultant R on the body is given as R into L. Now, according to Varignon's theorem, R into L is equal to F1 into D1 plus F2 into D2. The same procedure can be adopted for the resolution of forces also. A bit extension of the moment is a couple. Two parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction separated by a definite distance are said to be forming a couple. Best example for a couple is force applied on a tap by the fingers. Unknowingly, we use a couple force on the tap for opening and closing. We use our thumb and index finger and apply an equal force but opposite in direction for opening and closing the tap. The force F is applied on the body at two positions in opposite directions which make the body to undergo a couple movement. In first image, because of the couple, the body will undergo an anti-clockwise direction. So we can say it is at the anti-clockwise couple, which will be treated as negative couple. And in the second image, the body will undergo a clockwise couple, which will be treated as a positive couple. Now let us see the characteristics of a couple. First one, a couple consists of a pair of equal and opposite parallel forces which are separated by a definite distance. Second one, the translator effect of a couple on the body is zero. That is, the body will only rotate because of couple but not translator movement will be there. Third one, the rotational effect of the couple about any point is a constant and it is equal to the product of magnitude of the forces and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. So these are the characteristics of a couple acting on a body. This concludes the session. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.